How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. I'm glad to be back. You guys are seeing how the sausage is made here. There's a little trick I can do. It's called an L cut or a J cut. That's gonna be my best bet right here. So, boom. Nice shot, nice portrait. Then you're using like a pretty big softbox. That's to get a little bit of bounce and get up under the chin area. So there's this guy. My guess is that it's around 250th of a second. This could be emotions. It's a spiral of love. We got our first chat. What's going on, Sheku? Thanks for joining. So nice to talk to you guys. It's so nice to be back. Rad. Yeah, man, no, you guys are rad. Thanks for being here. Shikaka! Yes! Oh, an Ace Ventura reference. There are 4 lights. Thank you so much. I hope to see you again in June. And until then, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Happy filmmaking. Peace.